Hi guys, let's start today's topic, this assignment of tonal chart. So before starting this topic, let me ask you one question from you. Are you still struggling with the donut chart in the Power BI? So this video, I will walk you through the complete solution step by step from understanding with a real-time project assignment to building a final visual. So you will learn how to add the fields, formatting the chart and make it dashboard ready. So if you want to master in the dashboard and master in the donut chart quickly, keep watching this video. Let's jump on the screen. I'll give you a situation to you. You are working in a company and your senior manager, any data analyst, ask you some question to complete some project or assignment or some donut chart in the Power BI. So what kind of question he asks, what solution you give. So I'll just give a real-time assignment. Like a message is just you received and some greeting parts and some informations and then the task which you need to complete. So task is you need to complete a donut chart to show the composition of customer by uh, income level and the occupation. So this occupation and will want to limit to just a few segments like maybe three and want to format match like as you did entire the dashboard. So that is a task basically you receive and what solution come in your mind, that is like some key objective. So key objective, like first one, you need to add some donut chart in the customer detail table, sorry, customer detail reports, and then give a total and by the income. That's one. Second one, you need to add a chart title, turn off the legend and update the data label to show the category value from like size 1 or some decimal place also, right? And then you need to some formatting of the color, slice color, and which I'll just give the screenshot after it. And then you need to add some visual level filter over there in the customer with the very high income there. And the last one, just copy and paste your donut chart and complete another donut chart like this and give some most order over there. So you have to use the top and filter over there. So that is the basically key objective, that is your task, that is your solutions, and final solution would be appear like this. You will create a donor chart. So we'll do it together in the Power BI. So let's jump on the Power BI and complete it together. So you have to quickly go there the customer detail, right? And the customer detail, just go there and take a donut chart over there and put some data over there in this donut chart. Like I want total income from the customer lookup table from the legend, right? And the total order from the measure table which we have already created and put it in the value. So this donor chart would be created. Now you need to do some formatting in the title and also. So first you should go there in the formatting parts and go there in the journal and the title. So let's update the title as a order by the income level, right? That is one thing. Second, let's do it as a formatting as we did earlier. This one, let's do some bold one and some formatting is like I want it in a 10, right? And in the center. So that is a one thing we did. And then let's do some more formatting. Let's go there in the visual, go there in the legend, let's off it, right? And then visual, go there in the visual and do some formatting. Data level, in the data level, let's do something like in the control panel, like data by category, that is we want. And the value, let's format is 8, right? and decimal place would be like 1. So that is we did. Second one, let's come on the slicer. Let's close this so that we can visual. Let's go there in a slicer. In the slicer, let's go there in the color. In the color, let's jump in the first one, the average one. So average one, the color which we have already taken this one. And if you want what color we have taken, you can go there in the more color, and this is the code of this color. Okay, let's pack there. So in the average we did that. In the low, let's search the low and put the black. Actually I want to give the formatting as we did in the Power BI, this Power BI visual, so that all format looks very samely. In the high level, let's put the yellow color there, right? Let's put the very high default as we have, because we have unfiltered this, right? So that thing we did. Let's do some more formatting in this. Let's in the visual. Okay, I think we have done enough. So we need to some filter on this. Just click here. We need to give the page level filter, sorry, visual level filter there. So click any visual, check where filter, and the filter option. Let's search this income level. Select all. Let's select the very high. So I want this one also. So most of the part I have did. Let's copy it, format it a little bit more, and where you want you can put it there. Let's do some more formatting. Okay, and copy this one, paste it anywhere so that the formatting would be the same, right? So that is the one. Second one, let's do some add some data here. In the data, in the legend, let's do the occupation. Search here, occupation, right? It is under the customer lookup. Put it here like this. So your formatting would be changed. You need to give the formatting one more time. Like first we need to give the title, update the title, right? Let's go there in the title, search here, click in this visual and go there, journal title by the order by the occupation, right? Order by the occupation. That is we did. Some more formatting, like 10 is same, that is fine. All right, so that we did. Now we'll give the some formatting the slicer in the color part. To the visual, slice, and in the professional color we have to give the color we are already choosing, this one. The code I have already showed, the code is here of this color, and put it here. And second one, the skill manual, the color, let's go the black. Skill manual color would be the, let's black. Okay, and let's do more color in the yellow, and 2 let it be, because we'll unfilter it and remove it from the visual. Next thing, just click here on the that particular visual, and this time go there and search very high. Let's search it. All right, let's remove this filter. Okay, and let's give the another filter on the occupation, right? That would be fine. And I don't want the crystal, I don't want the manual, so visual would be like this, as this visual earlier, right? And one more thing in the last, keep the filter in the top and filter. Okay, we'll do that. Let's search. Okay, occupation, right? All filter, basic filter. I want is I want the top and filter. And top and filter, let's take it at 3 as the task is. And put some order here. Order, put it here in the visual and apply this filter. So would be like this. So that is the basically assignment we have, and I covered this assignment step by step. I'll give you the solution formatting part also. So I think I'm done. In the next video, let's do some conditional formatting parts, and we'll do it together. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.